This little beast gets me every time. It keeps surprising me time after time with its small size, efficiency, small weight, and the huge demand it has faced. So, today's episode we're talking about TMK 150. As you might already know, we have 5 different tree shear models. TMK 400, TMK 300, TMK 250, TMK 200, and the smallest of them all, TMK 150. Model names of TMK tree shears are named by the maximum cutting capacity. Regardless of the small size of the TMK 150, the promised maximum cutting capacity is all up to 150 millimeters. TMK 150 is available for fixed mounting when it weighs only 85 kilograms, including the bracket, and it can be used on cranes and such, with hanging setup when it weighs only 120 kilograms, including the hanging linkage.
The shear is very robust, as the body is made from Hardox 400, and the blade and the grapple are made of Hardox 500, so it follows the high-quality standards of the TMK products. TMK 150 is suitable for base machines from 1 to 4 tons, which are agile to use in places where the space is limited. It can also be used in small and mid-sized cranes and forest trailers. Light machines are more gentle for the ground, which makes TMK 150 very handy tool for gardening, for example.
Working with TMK 150 is safe and efficient. You can go low when cutting with the shear to minimize the size of the tree stumps. It also gives you a good control of the tree as it stays in hold after the cut. It allows you to lay down the tree wherever you want safely. No need to clean up the sawdust after either. Simple. There is no attachments for the shear, and there is only one cutting cylinder. So that's why it's easy to maintain, easy to choose, and easy to use. Until next time.